Hello. Hello, how are you today? So I watched this girl, Nicole, from her vlogs, and she's done this really interesting video. It's called Small YouTuber Tag. So I watched it, obviously, because I watch all her videos, and I thought, like, that's really interesting. So Nicole tagged me in the comments. So here I am going to film this, and I'm very excited because I haven't done like a Q&A sort of video in like a year, maybe more, actually, like over a year. And like, let's just say a lot has changed in a year, and a lot has changed in the past month, but like a lot has changed in the year. So let's get into this. Question 1, what inspired you to start making videos? I don't actually know, to be honest. I don't even think I was like inspired to make videos. I think I thought, I was like, well, you know what? I've seen like all these DIY videos and stuff, and I was like, I want to do that. So that's what I started doing, and then I expanded. Well, I was studying interior design at the time, so it naturally evolved into interior design. And then I started adding in vlogs, and you know, it kind of just went from there. But like, yeah, it's like DIY videos, I suppose. How long have you been on YouTube, and have you had any other channels? No, I have not had any other channels. I've been on YouTube since, I think this is my 3rd year, not including my other channel. Okay, this is so embarrassing, oh my god. This is so embarrassing. Okay, so I, as you know, love The Sims. I used to have a channel where I used to build homes in The Sims and make Sims and play Sims, like, you know, like a Let's Plays and stuff, like Sims channel. Don't have that anymore. I don't know if it's still up. The channel name is Only Simmer. I don't know if it's actually, I'm not even going to say that because I don't want you going watching it and like, because it's too embarrassing. So let's just pretend that didn't happen. Where do you see yourself and your YouTube channel in the next 5 years? Oh, I love this question. I love this question. Where do I see myself in 5 years? Who knows? But I know every year I evolve my channel a bit. Well, I mean, it actually, yeah, I evolve. Like, if you look like at these videos compared to last year's videos, compared to years before, like they are significantly different, quality-wise, and yeah, quality-wise, and like they're not as filler videos, if you know what I mean. They're all like the videos I put up at the moment are all videos. Like, there's content in every video, whereas before I would say I want to upload 2 videos a week. Maybe one of them would be like a content video, and then another one would be just like a filler video, just for the sake of putting up another video, just to say that I've put up 2 videos a week, if that makes any sense. So like in the next 5 years, I really want to, like, see, I love property, and I want to get into property and real estate, and like buy property and renovate it and rent it and sell it. You know, I want to get into all that kind of side of things. So that's where I see my channel going in the next few years, as soon as I buy my first apartment, which, I mean, I'm going to start looking next year, at the end of next year, and hopefully the year after I'll have bought one. Like, I mean, I have to save, obviously. So I'm hoping that's where my channel will evolve to, and then I want to do more like expansive design talks, because I love like learning new things, and that's like one of my favorite things, is to learn new skills, like learn new, like, just, I love learning, but not like in a college way or a school way. I like learning on my own terms, so I'll only learn something if I want to learn it. So if I was, yeah, so that's where I also see myself putting more educational videos out there, like not like educational, but more informative videos out there. So with other designers and fashion designers, and expanding in fashion as well. I want to do more videos on the fashion side. So like, I mean, there's a lot of expansion and growth that's going to happen on my channel. Yeah, like, so just be prepared, because these videos are never going to stay the same. They're always going to keep evolving and changing and getting better. So just, that's one thing to know, because I'm always trying to improve myself as well, so my content will improve. But I suppose to narrow it down, let's say 5 years, it's 2020 now, 2021, 2, 3, 4, 5, I see myself having a couple of apartments, maybe like an apartment and a house, and then 2 complete renovations of them. But also I want to do a new series where I say someone's studying interior design or architecture or something in college, like to bring them on my channel and give them an opportunity to like create something where like I'll obviously cover the expense of it, but like they'll get to create something that they can add to their portfolio. It would also get their name out there a bit more, and that's another thing I want to go into as well. But that's all to come, so get ready. What message are you trying to get across with your videos? Well, I mean, no, nothing in particular, but like I love interior design, and I always thought growing up that interior design and fashion and design in general was fun and exciting and creative, and like there was no rules to say. But like when you go through college and you go through school, you know, they start to knock that out of you, and they make it all about the rules and numbers and you know, like it's very specific. So if you can take answer from my videos, is that like just have fun. Like design is fun, it's creative, it's an expression of yourself. When you're working with a client, it's an expression of themselves. That's one thing I want like people to get out of my videos, is to have fun. Like don't take life and design and everything so seriously, because it is like the best designs are the ones that came out of just pure creativity and breaking rules. What's that Rihanna said?
There are rules, but rules are meant to be broken.
Do people from school find your channel? I mean, I don't know. My friends, they know about my channel. Like, I mean, honestly, when I started my channel, I wasn't like, oh my god, I hope no one finds out. Because honestly, I didn't even care. Because even if they did, and if they were like, oh my god, this is so sad, they don't know what's going to come out of it. They don't know. I knew. I have a vision in my head of where I see myself going in the next 10 years. And if people can't see that vision now, they will see it. So describe your YouTube content in one sentence. One sentence. How am I supposed to describe my YouTube channel in one sentence? I would say, I'm sorry, I can't put my YouTube channel in one sentence. If you can, put it into the comment section, but I can't describe it in one sentence because no, I can't. How many pennies have you made in the last 28 days? Well, actually, fun fact, I actually don't make any money from YouTube currently, but I will. This is actually very exciting. I will be starting to get paid in the next couple of months, which is really exciting because I've been literally had this channel for the past 3 years, and I work so hard on it. Like, there's been so many times where I've been up till 4 in the morning, like getting 2 hours sleep before I go to work the next day, just editing videos for my channel, and you know, like stressing and missing nights out to film a video. Like, you know, it's I've given up a lot for my channel, and it's not even like I don't even need that like you know, I don't even need like that money aspect to be like happy and content with where I am right now. But like it's just kind of like a tap on the back to be like, kind of like, you're doing good, like, but keep it going, like that kind of way. If that makes any sense. What inspires you to keep making videos even when you haven't found success yet? Well, I mean, honestly, I don't see, okay. I feel like if you're starting a YouTube channel, this is for any of you who like, or if you're a small YouTuber or a small YouTuber like me, or you're just starting out your channel, don't focus on the destination, because you'll never be happy, and you'll always be you won't be excited about making videos and content if you're focused on the end destination. Personally, at the start I used to think about like, oh, when is this going to happen, when is my channel going to blow up? But then eventually stopped being about, you know, blowing up, and became more about just making videos, and I really started to enjoy the process, and I've been really enjoying doing this for the past like 2 years. So like to me, I know one day it will happen, but like it's not like the most important thing to me right now, because I am very happy and I'm very content with where I am right now. So just if you're not going to enjoy the process of making something, the end result isn't worth it, you know, if that makes any sense. What video are you most proud of? Well, at the moment, well, I mean, I'm proud of I'm proud of most of my videos, to be honest, because I know how much work went into all of them, and yeah, rendering nightmares and everything that's went into all of them. I'm proud. Last year I was proud of my videos last year. This year I'm proud of all the videos I've done this year, because it's again quality, and like, you know, like I keep upping myself. So at the moment, I think my video I was most excited about, and like I put the most work and time into, was definitely the ultimate budget bedroom makeover, the one I done like in the apartment with the red triangle. That one, that was a lot of work. That was a that was a lot of work. That was a lot of work, and I would like to do another video like that soon. But like that was a lot of work. I was very proud of that one, because I spent 2 days editing that one, and then like a couple of weeks filming it. So like that was a bigger video for me. But like I was very proud of that one. Who are your favorite YouTubers? I'm very picky with who I watch on YouTube. Like very picky, because also I don't really have a lot of time in the day anymore. So like I don't really have time to watch people because I'm working. So I mean, at the moment, I think my favorite YouTuber, oh, it's a tight one, it's a tough one. It's either between Plumbella and Patricia Bright. Whenever I see them two pop up in my notification feed, you know them videos when they pop up and you save them, and so you can really sit down and appreciate them. They're the channels. That's my type of, that I wait until I have time to actually sit and watch them. And Patricia Bright actually has a second channel now called Break, where she talks about like all like financial and everything, like money and savings and pensions and mortgages, like that, and 401, everything. So I enjoy that channel as well. And then I also like, you know, Nicole Vlogs. There's a few channels I watch that are smaller YouTubers as well, which I really like. What video would you create if you had an unlimited budget? Think big. Well, honey, I think big every day, so this is not going to be a hard question for me to answer. Honestly, if I had an unlimited budget, I would. Oh, see, there's too many. There's too many videos in my head right now. There's ones more to do with like going overseas. There's ones where, you know, okay, if I had an unlimited budget, I think I'd do like, I wouldn't make one video, because, you know, what would point having just one big, like, you know, video where you're like spend everything on it, and then like all the rest of your videos being back to normal again. I'd stretch it out into a series. So I definitely maybe, I don't know. I would build a house. I'd build a house and like film the whole thing. Yeah, I'd build a house. That's what I do. That's what I do if I had if I had a limited budget. Yeah, I'd build a house. You know, actually, that's what I do. Best thing about YouTube. I think the best thing about YouTube is that you can literally be in the middle of nowhere. As long as you have an internet connection and a phone with a camera, you can reach so many different people, and also one of the things I like about YouTube is you can kind of build a kind of community of your own. So you just see so many different people from so many different walks of life. The worst thing about YouTube is YouTube doesn't really promote smaller YouTubers as much, and I understand it has to do with the algorithm and stuff, but like, I mean, I feel like they promote a lot of the same people all the time, which I don't think is very fair, considering, you know, a lot of the times it's the smaller YouTubers that put in the more work and the they have less spare time, you know, because they're working and they have to pay bills with their actual job, and they do YouTube as just like a hobby on the side. So, you know, yeah, that's the worst thing about YouTube. Also, another bad thing about YouTube is people can write whatever they want down in the comment section and feel like they can get away with it, and it doesn't like hurt people's feelings sometimes. Not speaking from my own experience, because like literally you would have to, I mean, I don't think there's anything you could say that would be like, you know, hit me hard. Because I mean, literally I've been called every name in the book, and when I was younger, so like, I mean, like words, and they don't really affect me anymore, like, because I know it's just when people like give you hate or whatever, it's just a projection of themselves and whatever they're suffering with inside. So I mean, I don't really like, I mean, it's more so like, you know, if them commenting something bad on my video made them feel better, knock yourselves out. Which software do you use for video editing? I use Camtasia Studio at the moment, but I'm planning on getting a new laptop with, I want to get Final Cut Pro. I know it's like so expensive, and like, I mean, it's such an investment, but like, I feel like, you know, I'm at a stage now where I can consider it, so I am considering that. Which camera do you use to record videos? I use a Canon G7X Mark II. I don't plan on changing it anytime soon because I like this camera. It's easy, it's small, it fits in your pocket, it's an everyday camera, like no problem. Why should anyone subscribe to your channel? Well, honestly, it's like, it's your own free will if you want to subscribe or not. But like, why you should subscribe? I mean, I don't know, to be honest. I don't know. Well, okay, let me think. Okay, so maybe I think you should subscribe. I think you should subscribe to my channel because there's a lot more to come. There's a lot more than what you see right now to come. So that's why you should subscribe, because I feel like I can do a lot on this platform, and I would like for you to give me the chance to do so. So that's why you should subscribe. Okay, that is all the questions. Okay guys, so honestly though, like if you have any other questions that you want me to answer, just drop them down below in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer some of them for you. Honestly, I can feel my eyes closing because I just done a 9-hour workday and another 2 hours traveling. So I mean, if I'm a bit tired looking or a bit, you know, ugly looking, don't tell me down below, because I mean, I don't need that criticism right now. But yeah, let me know down below if you have any other questions. And with that being said, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, you know, because of the reasons I told you previously. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.